Now come to the next paragraph. After the doctor had gone, Sue went into the workroom and cried her heart out. What does it mean? Cried her heart out. She was just cried bitterly because in front of her friends she can't cry. So after the doctor had gone, by saying all these things, if you want to talk to her, if you will talk to her, definitely she can survive. But when the doctor had gone, she went to the workroom where they were just started their studio. They were just working. They were painting the pictures and painting and cried her heart out. She was crying bitterly to think about her what the friend's condition. She was crying bitterly. She was worried about the Johnsy health because the doctor remarks on Johnsy health made you cry. She was just what crying bitterly. After that, after the then she swagger means entered. Swagger means she entered. When she to walk in a showy way, like she was swaggering, that was she was entering into Johnsy room with her drawing board. Easel is there, where they on which they are just arranging the picture, and they are just what making the picture, and where they are just what painting the picture, that is called the drawing easel board. She was taking in the Johnsy room whistling ragtime. Ragtime is called the jazz music is there. She was whistling. It is a form of ragtime is the form of a jazz music. She was whistling. But when Johnsy lay scarcely making a ripple under, scarcely means hardly. She was unable to move. Johnsy was laying on her iron bed, but she was hardly to move due to the word weakness. And making a ripple. Ripple means call that is moving under the bedclothes, because she has just covered herself with the bedclothes, and what she was hard to move because due to the what weakness, with her face towards the window, but her face was towards the window. She stopped whistling. She was just thinking. She was taking. Johnsy was asleep. Johnsy was taking rest, so she had stopped whistling. She was not whistling at the time. She was thinking that Johnsy was sleeping. She was not disturbed. So what she has stopped whistling at the time. She arranged her board and began a drawing to illustrate a magazine story. She arranged her board, easel board. She has just arranged to draw a picture, draw a painting, to paint a painting, and begin a drawing to illustrate. Listen this example. She was just started to draw a painting from a magazine story. She has taken a magazine story. What was the magazine story? Young artists must pay means find their way to art by drawing picture for magazine story. Sometimes they listen the story from the magazines, and where in the newspaper, wherever they are just finding the story, and they are just according to that they are just drawing the picture and paintings according to that. That young authors write to pave their way to literature, and young authors like they are just reading some that was literatures, and they are just finding their way to literature. They are also finding like they are just given the what they are just compared with the young author. The young painters has compared with the young author. They are also, when they are just started to write start to write at the time, they are also finding their way to literature, and where they are just gathering their story, and at the time they are just also start writing the literature stories. So same, the painter are also they are finding the pictures, painting which picture they will paint. So they are just word from the magazine story they are just taking, they are finding. As you was sketching a pair of elegant is called attractive horseshoe riding trouser. Horse riding trouser is called, that is the dress the people who are just wearing at the what the riding time, the trouser they are just wearing, that is called the attractive horseshoe riding trouser. And the figure of an Idaho cowboy, and Idaho is the name of area, and cowboy he has just what he was just she has just started to paint a picture of a Idaho cowboy. She heard a low sound. Cowboy is called that who is just what taking their cows for grazing, and that is called the cowboy. She was painting a picture of the Idaho cowboy. She heard a low sound. At the time when she was painted a picture of the cowboy and the horseshoe riding trouser, she listened. When while painting her picture, she listened a low sound several times repeated, like a mumbling sound is there, whispering sound was there, and several times repeating. She went quickly to the bedside. She was just thinking, she has just listened the voice very properly and carefully, from where the voice was there. So she went quickly to the bedside of Johnsy. Johnsy eyes were open wide. And what she has just watched there, Johnsy eyes were open wide. She was staring. Where she was staring, her eyes were open widely. She was looking out of the window and counting backward. What she was backward counting, like 10, 9, 8, 7. The counting backward counting. She was just counting at the time. She was looking out of the window. What Chauncey was looking outside of the window and counting backward. 12, she said a little later, 11, and then 10, and 9, and then 8 and 7 almost together. Firstly she was using this word 12, then little later 11, then 10, 9, and then 10 and 7 almost together. These 9, 8, 7, she has just almost together used these words. Sue looked with worry and concern out of the window. She was concerned, means worry about that. Sue looked with worry. Where she was staring, Johnsy was staring out of the window, and where she was staring, she wanted to see. Sue wanted to see, so she was just concerned about that, and outside of the window she was looking. What was there to count? What she was counting there? What the thing she was counting? There was only a pair. Pair means that is nothing is there. Dreary is called the, that is called the, there was a one thing is a dull. Dreary is called the dull. Yard means open area to be seen. There is a dull area. Open area was there to be seen. Nothing is there. And the blank side of the brick. And there was a blank side. On the brick wall, nothing is there. House 20 feet away. If we will see the distance 20 feet away, what was there? An old heavy vine. Vine is the creeper plant is there. There ivy vine is there. Ivy creeper vine is there. Gnawed. Gnawed is called here the twisted and knotted. It was twisted and decayed. Decayed means destroyed at the roots. Because when Sue was listening everything, the backward counting, the Johnsy was counting the backward, and when she has just listened this words 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, so she was more concerned about and she was just eager to see. She was eager to know, she was curious to know what happened there and why Johnsy was using these words. Sue looked outside of the window. What was there? There was nothing. The bare, the empty space was there, and really dull open yard to be seen. On the blank side of the brick house wall, 20 feet away from the distance, an old creeper plant was there. Ivy creeper plant was there. Nor means it was twisted and decayed means destroyed from the root. And what? Climb halfway to the brick wall. It was half of the, it has just covered. You know, the creeper wall always take the support from the wall, and the half wall length it has just taken. The cold breath of autumn has taken its leaves from the vine